Alright, in this little video we're going to take our map and learn how to do a kind of a more useful neat line and background behind our map, our main map body. I've got my data frame. I'm switched to the layout view here, and what people tend to do for their neat line is to take this data frame and pull it out to the edge of the piece of paper. I can see the printer margins on there. I don't want to go past those. And have something that looks like this, that then they add their legend and title and everything else within. This is a little bit limiting, and it's going to cause some problems for some of your maps. So I've got a way of using ArcMap that I like better, and that's to decide where I want my main body on the page and have the data frame just wrap around that. Do some little adjustments here. Leaving room for my title up here and legend and other information on here. Really, I could probably fill that in a little bit better. Okay, and then I want to get rid of this line around the data frame. So I'm going to activate it and right-click it to get to the Properties menu. And I'm going to switch this board and turn it off. Say OK. And so I just get my main body, and around the data frame I don't have any line. I'm going to add a separate boundary around here that I'm going to use as a neat line. I'm going to go into the drawing tools down here. If you don't have that, you want to right click and select draw, add that toolbar. And I'm going to add a rectangle here. I'm going to fill in my page with this rectangle. All right, isn't that wonderful? Right click and let's send that to the back. And then I want to change something besides that pukey yellow here. So I'm going to right click and go to properties for that rectangle. And here's where there's some stuff that's hidden within Arc. So I've got a property windows here. It looks like I've just got a couple colors that I could choose. Change the outline. But there's actually a lot more in here than meets the eye. So I'm going to change the symbol here. And I've got some options to do some interesting things. So if I scroll down, let's see, let's do a linear gradient in the background. So I could say, okay, let's go back and quickly look at this, apply, and I get a little bit of a linear gradient in the background. Makes my map look a little bit more sophisticated. Don't really like that yellow though. So I'm going to go back into change symbol here, edit symbol, and now I can change the colors that are in that gradient. So I've got some default choices here. Some of these might be nice. Let's see if there's anything of the defaults that I want to use. Let's see what this blue looks like in the background. It's a little bit. It's not as smooth as I like here, so I'm going to change the intervals here to 255 and make that a little smoother. And let's say I think that's a little bit darker than I want it to be. I'm going to go back over here to the style thing, and I'm going to right click that, and again there's some hidden options here. Go to properties, and I can change these colors. Say, all right, I don't want that quite this dark. I want these even lighter, so let's go pretty light. And let's say I don't any of these default colors I don't like. I'm going to go to more colors here, and I can change this. There's a lot of fine control over that blue. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. Say okay, say okay, okay again. And there I've got a light blue, almost sky blue background. Not great, but better. Now, that's how you change the background. We could get really crazy with this. There's other options in here. I could choose if I really want my map to stand out. This is my favorite. Let's do my sort of rainbow gradient here. Oh yeah, there it is. All right. All right, now that is an attention grabber. That is a wonderful map. Let's see if you can do better.